Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make sour cream. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and then hit the little bell for the notifications. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a share and a comment and share it on all your social media. I got this recipe from Yori House, link in the description. And here's what you need. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 of a cup of cow breast milk, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. First, pour in your heavy whipping cream and your lemon juice and then stir for about 12 minutes. Next, pour in your cow breast milk and then shake vigorously until well combined. After that, cover up with a napkin or some other kind of breathable material and then let set out for the next 24 hours at room temperature. And once as long as 24 hours are up, uncover it, stir it once more, and then stick it in your refrigerator until ready to use. After I chilled mine for 2 hours, this is what it looked like. And then, after spending most of the next day in the refrigerator, it thickened up some more. And now it's time for the inevitable taste test. Yeah, that's definitely sour cream. It does taste a bit different than store-bought, and it's a little bit different consistency. First 2 times I tried this, I tried it with Bigger Bolder Baking's recipe, and I don't know if it was me or what, but it kept on turning out runny, like extremely runny. And I asked her about it. She said that it could turn out different than what store-bought would be, because whenever you buy store-bought sour cream, they put stuff in it to actually make it thicker. But if yours does turn out runny, you could still use it for baking and it'll flavor it just the same. Can't wait to try this in some tacos or some nachos or something. Maybe that's what I'll make with it. You never know. There is going to be 3 other parts to this video, so watch out for that, guys. Yeah, one more time. Oh yeah, this is my 3rd time, and the 3rd time's a charm. But just remember, guys, you're gonna have to stir the crap out of this. I stirred it for about 12 minutes, and that was before I put it in the refrigerator. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. And do as I always say, just have fun with it. If you're making videos or making love or, you know, doing the garbage man thing or going and being a writer or whatever, just have fun with it, because I mean, it's yours, it's your job, and it's how you're going to be, you know, making your money. It's going to, you know, be your livelihood, whatever. Just have fun with it, because there's no point in not loving your job, and you only live once. Have a great night, everyone.